Moniz Eppinger from St. Louis, Missouri. She is an associate professor and co-director at the Center for International and Comparative Law at the St. Louis University. Thank you so much for joining us on the program. Now, from a legal point of view, do you think that there has been a fair trial?
It's a peculiar setup that we have with impeachment proceedings. It's not a legal trial in the normal sense of the word. The Constitution provides for what we call a trial in the Senate. That's the word that's used in the Constitution. But it does not provide for any procedures. It does not require any procedures. The Senate gets to decide its own rules as it goes forward. So, for example, in the impeachment trial of Bill Clinton, if you remember that, the Senate decided at the beginning of the trial that they would not decide on some of the rules until the middle of the trial. So the only decision that they made about the rules was that we were going to decide later. So there's a lot of flexibility in impeachment proceedings, and under the standards of, I would say, of a legal trial, this has been a complete sham. There has been no production of witnesses in the trial. There's been no cross-examination. The president, who is one of the impeachment charges, is that he obstructed justice, meaning that he kept people from being witnesses and he kept documents from being presented. And that obstruction of justice has not been tested by requiring those documents or by requiring those witnesses. And so it's been a sham in legal terms as a trial, but the Constitution does not require all of the normal procedures of a legal trial.
Okay, Monica, Republican senators kept on repeating during their statements that even if the claims made by John Bolton were true, it wouldn't change the fact that Trump has not committed an impeachable offense. What are your thoughts on that?
Again, the Constitution does not specify what is or is not an impeachable offense or what must done or not be done to qualify as an impeachable offense. But what we do know is that if the president were charged with a normal charge of bribery, the legal standard looks like it would have been met.
All right, Monica.
Go ahead.
Sorry, I'm going to have to cut you off there, but thank you so much for joining us on the program. That's Monica Eppinger joining us from St. Louis, Missouri.